Yeah, coming right off the page, acapella, Zen Truck, you know? Yeah, they wanna rap, but my raps don't rhyme. But they do wreck heads like rides blowing stop signs. And yo, I never rode pine, but then again, I never played right. 'Cause fair to me is a carnival, so I'm clowning. Plus I got them big shoes to fill. So to them I'm up wrong, sprinting past their downright negative appeal. Well, I'm light years behind my first rhyme, like these words took all eternity to get here. And I'm patient as a blind monk. In fact, I meditate and see visions of jets fighting the angels like a clash of national pastimes. And that's all viewed and logged from my home, the tack town. But I don it wherever I go, like a thorn crown. It's destiny, so no Hail Marys for you, trying to get me to come down. Like off shrooms, yo, you're only tripping if you do. 'Cause I see that mouth on Zoom, Lucifer Project style. But my mic's the Hubble, I spy stars from the 360 to the 8 Mile on some shady hating for fathering all these whack styles. They wanna rap.